Aprilia has once again redefined the concept of a middleweight sport bike with its all-new 2026 RS 660 Factory, a machine that bridges the gap between street agility and track-ready performance with remarkable finesse. Born from racing DNA and crafted for riders who demand uncompromising thrills, the RS 660 Factory stands as the ultimate expression of Aprilia's high-performance philosophy in the 660 cubic centimeters class. Striking factory styling meets functional aero. Visually, the RS 660 Factory captures attention with its aggressive, sculpted fairing and bold factory-style graphics that reflect its competitive spirit. The two-tone seat and dramatic color contrasts don't just turn heads, they underscore the bike's dynamic character. Aerodynamics play a starring role, too. MotoGP derived winglets and finely tuned bodywork enhance high-speed stability and give the RS 660 Factory a commanding presence whether carving through twisties or charging down a straight. Performance that demands respect. At its heart lies a €5+ compliant, forward-facing 659 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine tuned to deliver a potent 105 horsepower. This compact powerhouse works in synergy with a lightweight twin-spar aluminium frame, resulting in an exhilarating power-to-weight ratio that thrills on every ride. But power is only part of the story. The RS 660 Factory's chassis boasts fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, a 43mm NIX 30 front fork and STX 46 rear shock, providing razor-sharp precision and poise through corners and over changing surfaces, elevating confidence for both road and track riders alike. Electronics that push the limits. Technology plays a central role in the RS 660 Factory's performance suite. The Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) electronics package integrates a suite of advanced systems, including launch control for blistering starts, cornering ABS tailored to lean angles, traction and wheelie control, quick shifter (AQS) and cruise control (ACC), multiple riding modes and adjustable throttle mapping. A sharp 5-inch full-color TFT display with optical bonding and backlit switchgear keeps all essential info in clear view, while full LED lighting enhances visibility and style. Technical prowess meets everyday usability. Despite its race-bred components and performance credentials, the RS 660 Factory remains remarkably versatile. The machine's lightweight curb weight of around 183 kilograms, 403 pounds with fluids and standard equipment ensures that daily riding is as engaging as carving favorite backroads. Brembo brakes and a refined ergonomics package further reinforce its balance of performance and usability. With a price around $13,999, the 2026 Aprilia RS 660 Factory brings high-end technology and championship-inspired design to a segment eager for sophisticated middleweight sport bikes. It's a bold statement from Aprilia, one that challenges riders to rethink what a 660 cubic centimeters motorcycle can be.